Did you know that the average American eats more than 2 pounds of pretzels every year? That includes everything from stuffed pretzel nuggets to crunchy twists and classic soft pretzels. And if you're a pretzel lover like I am, then I've got great news. This Sunday is National Pretzel Day. To celebrate, today we're making a soft pretzel-shaped roll stuffed with a deli favorite. Here we have a pound of frozen bread dough that we've thawed, cut into quarters, and rolled into logs about 24 inches long. Now we twist these into the shape of a pretzel, like this, and place them on a baking sheet. A little egg wash goes on top before sprinkling with some kosher or sea salt. Then we cover them and let them rise for about 15 minutes before baking them off. After they bake, you can eat them as is, dip them in mustard or cheese sauce, or pile them high with thinly sliced corned beef, sauerkraut, and Swiss cheese for a super deli combo. Look, I'll admit they're no authentic Philly pretzel, but they are fun, pretzel-shaped, and delicious. To get the recipe for our Soft Pretzel Reubens, make sure you head over to our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a twisted way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.